Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair JBL Tune Flex with any MacBook. To do this, you have to input both earbuds inside this charging case and simply open it. Now you have to wait until right and the left earbuds starts blinking, just like that. Right now you have to put this charging case close to your MacBook and don't close this cover. Right now we have to go to the system settings, go for the left side for the Bluetooth, turn it on and select JBL Tune Flex from nearby devices. So click on the connect button and at the end you can go to the sound settings and take a look for the output and the input device. Just be sure that they are selected right here. That's all for this video, hope you like it.